Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Health is Wealth. In the workshop today we have got Sujok acupressure points for anemia. Coming straight to the point, all the points are in left hand. Remember, all the points are in left hand. The number one point is lungs LU7 point in the index finger, LU7. Just below the black and white crease here, LU7. Press, rotate and release. Stimulate this point by press, rotate, release. You can use back part of matchstick or jimmy or back part of hairpin. Do not use sharp objects. The number 2 point is P6 pericardium point, also in the index finger. If you draw an imaginary line in the center of the finger, this point will fall here. Press, rotate, release. Stimulate the point until you feel warmness on the point. You can count, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then release. Until you feel the warmness, you can stimulate the point. The next point is on the back part of index finger. Here in the middle of the crease, draw an imaginary line and you will find this point easily. You can also find the point with black and white, yang and yin here. This is large intestine point. Press, rotate, release. The last point is in the middle finger, stomach 36 point. Press, rotate, release. Press, rotate, release. This point is situated above this eye on the outside. Just draw an imaginary line and you will find this point here. If you find it difficult to locate the point, then you should press on the point and press around the point. There are no side effects if you press around the points. By this method, you can easily find the point. You can apply methi seeds, kuttu seeds or star magnet with the help of surgical medical paper tape on these points, on these acupressure points. So these were 4 Sujok acupressure points for anemic patients. By applying these 4 points and following the diet chart and healthy lifestyle, you can beat anemia. So friends, that's it for today. I'll be back with some more informative videos. Till then, bye bye.